In 2025, there will be one question on everyone's mind. Will AI replace us? I is smarter, faster, and learning every single day. But here's the truth. I can calculate. I can analyze. I can start and learning every single day. But here's the truth. But I cannot dream. And that's where human ambition comes in. Today, we're re-breaking down what's human ambition, and by the end, you will know exactly who wins and how you can thrive in the age of Ava. Part 1. What AI brings to the table. There's a new player in town. It's changing everything. It's not a person, a company, or even a country. It's artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. It writes essays in seconds, designs graphics, analyzes stock markets, even builds businesses. In 2025, AI is doing the jobs that once took people years to master. Efficiency, speed, and endless memory. That's the AI advantage. But does efficiency equal success? Not always. Because success isn't just about doing tasks. It's about vision, resilience, and risk-taking. And that's where Anna struggles. Think about it. You've got a million ideas, but which ones are going to change the world? Which customers will love? Which problems are worth solving? That's where the human element matters. You need intuition, creativity, and a dash of craziness. All the things that I can't replicate. For example, ChatGPT can generate marketing copy in seconds, but it's the human touch that builds brands and moves people. AI can analyze millions of data points, but it's the human spark that turns insights into groundbreaking ideas. So yes, AI brings incredible power to the table. Speed, accuracy, and efficiency, but that's just the beginning. Part 2, the power of human ambition. Now let's talk about the underdog, the messy, imperfect force that has driven humanity forward since the beginning of time, human ambition. Human ambition is unstoppable. It's not perfect, it's not always pretty, but it's the fuel that keeps us going. It's what pushes us to learn, grow, and achieve more than we ever thought possible. Think about all the amazing things humans have accomplished throughout history. We built civilizations, invented electricity, split the atom, and landed on the moon. Yes, some of these achievements were driven by necessity, but many were born out of pure ambition. The desire to explore, to discover, to conquer, that's what makes us human. Think about it. I didn't wake up one morning and decide to create itself. It was born out of human ambition. Ambition gives us drive. It makes us get up after failure, try again after rejection, and dream bigger than logic tells us we should. We set goals, we chase dreams, and we never give up. Even when the odds are stacked against us, when the path is unclear, when the journey is lonely, our ambition keeps us moving forward. We innovate, we create, and we push the boundaries of what's possible. And at the heart of it all is the human spirit, the relentless pursuit of excellence, the desire to leave a legacy, to make a difference. That's what drives us. That's what makes us human. Now you might be thinking, okay, great. Tell me something I didn't know. But here's the thing. Most people don't tap into their full potential. They play it safe, they follow the crowd, they settle for less. And that's where things get interesting, because in the age of the zeitgeist, human ambition is more important than ever before. Part 3, the clash, AI vs ambition. In the end, it's not about I versus humans. It's about embracing the power of both and unleashing your full potential. I gives you tools. Ambition gives you the reason to use them. Together, they can create miracles. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're an entrepreneur with a great idea for a business. You want to start a company, create products that people love, and make a real difference in the world. With Agile, leverage advanced analytics to understand your market, develop innovative solutions that solve real problems, and optimize your operations for maximum efficiency. From chatbots that provide instant customer service to algorithms that personalize the shopping experience, I can help you create a business that people love. But it's your ambition that will drive the risk-taking, the networking, the persistence, and the creativity needed to make your business succeed. Think about it. AI can analyze market trends, predict customer behavior, and optimize your pricing strategy. But it's your vision, your passion, and your determination that will turn your business into a household name. So who wins in the end? The short answer is A plus ambition beats I all humans alone. Let me break it down for you. I alone can do a lot, but it's limited by its programming, its data sets, and its algorithms. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions, but it can't come up with truly innovative solutions. It can't anticipate black swan events, and it can't adapt to rapidly changing circumstances. On the other hand, humans alone are capable of all those things, but they're limited by their emotions, their biases, and their cognitive abilities. They can be impulsive, irrational, and prone to making mistakes. But when you combine the power of AI with human ambition, you get a force to be reckoned with. You get the best of both worlds, the analytical power of IA plus the creative problem-solving skills of humans. For example, AI can analyze market trends and identify opportunities, but it's the human's job to seize those opportunities and turn them into gold. AI can help you make better decisions, but it's the human's responsibility to take action and make things happen. Part 4, how you can win. Okay, so you're ready to thrive in the age of Ivan Jewett? No. 1. Don't fear AI. Learn it. Don't be afraid to dive in and learn how to use AI tools. Don't let it intimidate you. Embrace it. As you already know by now, the world is moving forward, and those who adopt quickly will be the ones who come out on top. Don't be left behind. No. 2. Pair AI with ambition. Don't try to replace your ambition with AI. Use AI to boost your ambition. Let it be your wingman. Let her be men. You focus on coming up with big ideas and finding solutions to complex problems. AI will help you refine your ideas, analyze data, and make better decisions. Number 3, double down on uniquely human skills. AI is great at analyzing data, but it's not so good at understanding human emotions or having original ideas. Focus on developing your creativity, leadership skills, storytelling ability, empathy, and other uniquely human skills. These are the things that will set you apart from the competition and help you succeed in the long run. No. 4. Keep adapting. The secret to success in the age of AI is adaptability. Don't be afraid to experiment, to fail, and to learn from your mistakes. The more you adapt, the better you'll become at using AI to your advantage. And remember, ambition is a muscle that needs to be exercised. Don't be afraid to set big goals and push yourself to achieve them. And finally, 5, remember that AI might open doors, but only ambition will make you walk through them. You need to be proactive, take risks, and be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and find them. The bottom line is this: in 2025, the age of AI, it won't be AI alone that wins. It won't be humans alone that wins. It will be the ambitious humans who know how to use AI as their greatest weapon, who know how to pair the power of AI with the ingenuity of the human mind. It will be those who dare to dream big, take risks, and pursue their goals relentlessly. And if you're ready to stay ahead, keep pushing forward. Subscribe to Level Up Studio. The future doesn't belong to eBay. The future belongs to the ambitious. Thank you for watching this episode. If you found it valuable, consider subscribing to Level Up Studio. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you weekly insights to sharpen your mind, build your success, and help you thrive in today's fast-changing world. Whether you're an ambitious student, a curious thinker, or a professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, we've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we'd love to have you stick around for another video. Keep leveling up, and we'll see you in the next one.